Hey everyone, welcome to ZabToon Motors. Today, we're diving into the BMW M340i with its 382 horsepower engine and the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio's 505 horsepower beast. Let's see what makes them tick. Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode on ZabToon Motors. Today, we're diving deep into two incredible sports sedans. The BMW M340i features a powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo engine with 382 horsepower, making it a solid choice for both daily drives and track days. On the other hand, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio boasts a 2.9-liter V6 with 505 horsepower, delivering that thrilling performance you crave. Can you imagine the kind of speed these beasts can reach? Let's explore what makes them stand out and see how they compare in every way. The BMW M340i's all-wheel drive and 500 Nm of torque make it a reliable performer in various conditions, offering great grip and stability that you can count on. Meanwhile, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio's 600 Nm of torque and rear-wheel drive setup provide that pure, exhilarating drive, perfect for enthusiasts who love a bit of drift. It's all about choosing between everyday practicality and outright fun. Which one would you pick for your next adventure? Check out the BMW M340i's adaptive suspension and sporty design. It not only hits 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds, but also handles bumps with ease, making it ideal for long trips. With its gray finish adding a touch of elegance, this car combines comfort and performance in a way that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a sedan that's as at home on the highway as it is on the track, the BMW M340i is a top contender. The BMW's 3.0-liter engine is all about efficiency and power, delivering smooth acceleration and weighing in at 1,755 kilograms for that solid feel. It's packed with features like advanced tech and a comfortable interior, making it not just fast, but also practical for daily use. When you think about a car that balances performance with real-world usability, the BMW M340i really shines through. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio's 2.9-liter V6 delivers an impressive 505 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, giving it that edge in pure acceleration. At just 1,660 kilograms, it's lightweight and responsive, with a rear that screams speed through its spoiler and exhaust design. If you're after a car that feels alive and exciting every time you hit the gas, this one is hard to top. With 505 horsepower, the Alfa accelerates to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, offering a level of thrill that's truly addictive. Its red finish adds to the visual appeal, making it stand out on the road, while the overall build focuses on handling and driver engagement. This car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about the entire driving experience that keeps you coming back for more. The BMW's impressive torque and the Alfa's raw power set the stage for an epic drag race. With the BMW's all-wheel drive providing that extra grip and the Alfa's rear-wheel setup promising excitement, it's a matchup that highlights the best in engineering. Which one do you think will take the win in this high-stakes battle? Both cars are lined up and ready. The BMW M340i with its reliable grip and the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio with its speed-focused design. It's all about torque versus horsepower here, and this setup shows just how capable these machines are when pushed to their limits. The anticipation is real. Let's see how it plays out. In this first drag, the Alfa's 505 horsepower gives it a clear edge, winning by 0.3 seconds with its lightweight build and powerful V6. The BMW's 382 horsepower puts up a fight, but the Alfa's acceleration is something else. It's a great example of how engine design can make all. Thanks for watching on ZabToon Motors. The BMW's reliable design and the Alfa's thrilling performance make them legends in their own right. If you're passionate about cars, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons and tips. What's your favorite feature from these two?